So hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to download app on the Firestick using the downloader. So guys, if you want to download the app which are not available on your app store, so you are using the downloader. So the downloader can help you to install any third-party app with this simple step. Okay, so guys, let's start. Now we can see how we can download the any app from the downloader. Okay, so guys, first of all you need to install the downloader from the app store. So you can move to the app store. Okay, here you can search your app which is downloader. So I am going on the search option, then select, and I am using my Alexa to download and type. Okay, so downloader. Okay, so guys, here you can see the downloader, so you can click on this. Okay, then you can see I am already installed, so it will be redirect me directly on my software. So you can go back. So guys, here we have the two options for downloading any software. Okay, so guys, for example, I am downloading my software. So guys, using the URL. For guys, using the URL, you just go to here and enter your software name. For example, I am downloading to BTV. Okay, so guys, for installing the BTV, you can open your app, your downloader here, then you can search BTV. Okay, so you can go here BTV, then search. So it is connecting you to the web page of the website for installing. Okay, now guys, you are using this as a browser. Okay, but we have the another option which is very fast and no need to do any more step. Just single tab you can easily install any software. So guys, for example, we are here entered the name of our software, but another step. So guys, you need to go Google and you can search what is the Firestick code of the downloader in the BTV. So guys, here I am trying to show you. So guys, here I get my code. So guys, the code is 68034. Okay, so guys, this is the our downloader code. So guys, this code I am searching in the URL on the downloader. So guys, you can go here, then search, and here you can search 68034. Okay, so you can click on go. So guys, now by the single code, you do not need to go any website, no need to go any third-party app. You just by simple code you can install any software. Okay, so guys, you can wait and watch. Okay, so guys, here it will automatically download your app. It is under the process. Okay, then you can install. Okay, and your app is now showing the installation option. If your app, one thing is, before installing the process, you need to give the permissions of your system to install the app. For permission, you can go to the setting. Okay, so you can hold this button, so you can directly move to the setting option. So I am holding this button for the 5 seconds. So I am going to the setting option. Here you can going in my Fire TV. Okay, then developer option. Hey, my developer is on and uninstall app is also on. So you can give the permission your downloader from here, and you can install any app and enjoy any third-party app in your Firestick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. Maybe this video is very helpful for you. Okay, thank you.